Welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and the question of the week is, can your Hei-VAP systems be used with higher boiling solvents such as DMSO and DMF? And the answer is absolutely. Our systems are tight enough to remove higher boiling solvents. Although there's a couple things you'll want to consider during your evaporation. The first thing to consider is being able to raise the temperature of your water bath. This might not be possible if you're dealing with a temperature-sensitive compound, in which case we would highly recommend you using a stronger vacuum pump that can go to lower pressures to remove your higher boiling solvent. The other thing that you'll want to consider is using a trap, especially in the cases where you're removing both a high and low boiling solvent. This will help protect your pump from cold boiling in your lower boiling solvent, which is when the solvent boils under pressure but without heat. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Ask a Heidolph Rep. We'd love to answer your question in a future video. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com or find us on social media on LinkedIn and Twitter at HeidolphNA. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.